Clutchmaster's Pro Series lineup has now hit the market, and here are some things that you should know. The common approach on even multi-plate clutches for securing the pressure plate to your flywheel has been using 6 bolts torqued down in place. That is 6 points of contact from the pressure plate to the flywheel and 6 associated fasteners holding it secure. This approach works for the vast majority of racers, but when pushing the boundaries of making more horsepower meets putting that power to the ground, a more robust method is needed. Their new Pro Series twin and triple disc options feature a 12-post heat-treated steel design, further mitigating flex and wear caused under high stress. That is 12 individual studs with their associated ARP nuts. Here you can see an example of that stress and chatter that happens when you lose the tight relationship between the flywheel and the associated legs on a traditional 6-bolt design. By switching to that 12-post design, Clutchmasters is able to increase the clamp load of the pressure plate to the flywheel by over 10%, further reducing problems that you have when making more horsepower. Also new to the Clutchmasters lineup with this Pro Series clutch is the use of a single driven hub in the center versus individual spline discs. We're all very familiar with using multi-plate clutches. When you go to install them, lining up this little installation tool along with 3 or 2 different clutches and trying to get your input shaft from the transmission into those discs while lining up dowels at the same time, it can get very, very difficult. Using that single hub design allows it to be pre-lined up when putting it onto the pressure plate, and it makes it super easy just to put your input shaft through only one set of splines. Today we're also going to show you some of the installation on my personal car. We're switching over to this triple disc Pro Series clutch by Clutchmasters, but right off the bat, there's not only the clutch that we're going to be putting in, there's a couple other goodies that we want to go over as well that Clutchmasters offers. Here we have their flywheel friction lock. This is a combination of a couple different materials to ensure a better relationship between your flywheel and your crankshaft. It's a nickel-plated steel substrate that then has diamond particles, so when you clamp on your flywheel to your crankshaft, you have it embed on both surfaces and better lock that unit together. Another thing that happens when you encounter tire shake or a misshift or free rev that's a little bit abnormal, you could have your flywheel bolts or your crankshaft bolt start to loosen, and at that point it's not uncommon to see a flywheel chatter on a crankshaft, creating micro welds that could then damage the surface. Having something like this flywheel friction lock allows there to be a barrier between the two surfaces and prevents any micro weld from occurring and saves both components and a very costly problem if you do incur a problem like that. Along with the clutch kit, Clutchmasters also includes the specific throwout bearing that you'll use in a factory fork style for this clutch in particular, and a pilot bearing. Now, if you do want to go to a hydraulic bearing, Clutchmasters also does offer that as an option, but this will be for your standard fork style and you can use it like an OEM function. Along with the installation, we're also going to be using a set of ARP flywheel bolts. This is the specific kit for a Honda B series. If you're interested, obviously we carry all these parts here in stock, but let's go over to the shop and let's get this installed.